I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know.
Oh, whoa, can't do nothing. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. It was just saying, when it's that way. Turn back if you go crazy. See what you expect for, yeah. If I slide, but if I just press my hands on you, yeah. You've been like that walking on and on, it must be stressful. Fuck the talk, but walking back it up, you just can't let go. You still treat me special, whoa, yeah. But you wanted me that, no matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. Plus I'm the type to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Just play yes, no, and I can be waiting cause I said so.
Going, turn, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't my revenge, but now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me, this ain't my revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, did you? Trust me, this is not revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, girl, I know.
Oh, whoa, can't do nothing. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. It was just saying, when it's that way. Turn back if you go crazy. See what you expect for, yeah. If I slide, but if I just press my hands on you, yeah. You've been like that walking on and on, it must be stressful. Fuck the talk, but walking back it up, you just can't let go.
Split mind, no need an assignment. Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide, no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. I need your touch, not just scrutiny. Squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me. Boy, you lose.
Understood, space is secure. Space is secure. Space is secure. Space is secure.
Underside, space is secure. Space is secure. Space is security. Boy, you lose. Gone, girl. You better learn how to face it. She's gone, girl. She's gone, girl. Never replaces. She's gone, girl. You better learn how to face it. She's gone, girl. She's gone, girl. Can't think it's too hard to process. Get around you and I regress. I decide what demons I digest. I'm just tired of repeating my digress. Trying to find deeper meaning in nonsense. Trying to grow without hating the process. Tired of anticipating the worst yet. Still anticipating the worst. I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. when. Straightforward.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Gotta put my lip gloss on first, which I just got this, y'all. It's the elf glow lip oil. My first day using it. I like it so far. But hi guys, good morning. I haven't talked to y'all this whole vlog. Like, I have not talked to y'all yet because I was not gonna talk to y'all without my hair being done. Like, what? Okay, so as y'all seen, I got my hair done yesterday. I showed y'all like the before and the after. But yeah, it's officially Sunday. It's New Year's Eve, and I already had some plans. We're about to go to Barnes & Noble. I want to go look at some books, because one of the things I want to implement is reading. I was reading like in the summer, and then I kind of like fell off once I started school and stuff. So starting the new year, I want to go get some books, like maybe some spiritual journey books, and then later on I'm going to show you guys my digital planner and how I plan. I get a lot of questions about that, so I figured why not show it in this video. But yeah, girl, we're about to head to Barnes & Noble. So yeah, I will see you guys when we get there.
Guys, you know you better watch out. Some girls are only about. Some girls are only that thing. Oh, been trying to let it go. Trying to keep my eyes closed. Trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is. Oh, way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out. But it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you so made me feeling. It's this one thing you did. Oh, this one thing that caught me.
All right, guys, I showed you guys me inside of Barnes & Noble, and the book that I went for was All Hope Is Found by Sarah Jakes Roberts. I don't know if y'all saw my last vlog, but I've been watching her a lot on YouTube, and this book happened to be on sale. It was $8.99 instead of $17.99. I don't know what this car is doing. But yeah, anyways, I got that book, and now I'm waiting for my order at Panera because I'm starving. I've been a part of like a thing that I'm doing for the new year too. I'm starting to intermittent fast, so I'll start eating at 12, and then I'll try not to eat past 8 o'clock. So I've been doing that for the past few days. I did it in the past, but I just didn't stay consistent at it. So yeah, we're waiting for our food, and then we're gonna go home.
Baby, I just can't believe it. It's this one thing you did. Trying to do, but you keep on seeing you. I'm hoping you can keep a secret. Babe, what you did. This one thing that got me tripping. This one thing you so made me feeling. This one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing.
Do we like the change of scenery? I don't know. But we're back home. And I told you guys, as promised, that I was going to show you guys how I plan and what I use when I journal, digital plan, and all that stuff. So I use my iPad. This is the iPad Air. I don't know what generation is it, but it's an iPad. Got it like a year ago. And I have the Apple Pencil. I get it from, so I simply just go on Etsy. You can type in digital planners, find a digital planner you like. Then you can also get GoodNotes. I have GoodNotes 5. I guess they have GoodNotes 6 now, but I didn't pay for GoodNotes 6 because I just didn't feel like it. Maybe I'll upgrade it one day. But yeah, I use GoodNotes, and pretty much you purchase your digital planner through Etsy, and then there'll be a download, and then they usually give instructions on how you can download it to GoodNotes, Notability. I know a lot of people use, like, it's a ton of different apps. But yeah, so this one that I have, who is this made by? I don't remember who I purchased this by, but I'm gonna have it in the description box. A lot of times people ask me questions, ask me what camera I use, ask me what I edit with. Like, all of that stuff is in the description box. So it's fundamental that you read the description box, because whether I go on a trip or anything like that, it'll give you the information you guys asked for. So pretty much I have my 2024 planner. Like, can y'all believe that tomorrow is a whole new year and this video is going up tomorrow? So happy new year. But yeah, I pretty much have this digital planner. It has all 12 months. This is how I access my planner. And if I go to the month of January, I have some miscellaneous stuff written here already, but kind of has your monthly overview. And then this is where you can put your top priorities for the month, deadlines, goals, specific things for each date. And then this is your monthly review that I was speaking of, that you can, you know, put all this stuff on there. And yeah, and then let me pick up the pencil. Also, when I was speaking to you guys about fitness tab, where you can keep track of your steps, workouts, progress, the finance tab. So I'm gonna have this link below so I could be able to show you guys, but this is the lifestyle menu, so you can do your daily routine and things like that. And I also have a daily journal. So this year I want a daily journal more. So for the month of January, obviously I haven't started anything, but starting the 1st, I just want to keep track and progress of my year and how I felt on each day. So this is gonna come in handy for the new year. But yeah, I will have this planner linked down below if you guys would like to purchase. And yeah, this is the index page, and pretty much on this one that I have, it has yearly. So it has the calendar, key dates, reflections, resolutions, yearly goals, yearly overview. So I'm going to be focusing on that today. I'm going to write some of my goals that I have for the new year, reflect on the year 2023. They also have finance tab on here. And the reason why I got this one, because they have wellness, productivity, and fitness, and nutrition and lifestyle tabs. So for nutrition, they have like a meal planner and a grocery list tab where you can write all that stuff there. For lifestyle, they have like a daily routine, a little place where you can like list people's birthdays. Productivity is a habit tracker. Let me show you guys the habit tracker. So the habit tracker, it shows all of these different like subcategories, like menus. So here, if I clicked on this, I don't have anything on here yet, but you can write like different goals. They have goal 1, 2, 3, 4 through 8. And then you can specifically go into it and then write like the day you're starting your goal, the end date, what it is, why it's important to you, specific milestones with it. And then you can reflect on your month, and then it gives you like a overview of the month, like where you can write like the important dates and stuff like that. It has each date, and then obviously for more specific dates, you can plan everything that you have to do for that specific month and specific week or specific day. So I really like digital planning. It keeps me organized. I use GoodNotes, like I said. It's just a great app. If you have an iPad or you want to get an iPad, I highly recommend. It helps you feel like your life is together. It helps you keep track of everything. And I like the planner that I got because, you know, it's letting me track all like the fitness, healthy habits and stuff like that. And that's really what this monthly reset was about. Not just getting cute, like getting my hair done, but trying to get on the right path. I want to work out more consistent. Like I just want to be very consistent this year and intentional. And that's also why I went to Barnes & Noble, why I picked up a book by Sarah Jakes Roberts. So yeah, I had to pick up her book, and I'm really excited to read this. It's All Hope Is Found. So once I read this, it's not too long. It's only 154 pages. Like that's not bad at all. I could probably honestly finish this in a day if I wanted to, but I'm gonna take my time and actually read this book. I really love watching her on YouTube, so I feel like this is gonna be a good read, a good starter for the new year and just my spiritual journey and getting closer to God, along with my planner. But yeah, question of the day for this video: comment down some of your New Year's resolutions or things that you want to do more in 2024. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Happy New Year. I'm wishing you a well-blessed new year and that this be the best year. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Also, thank you for 700 subscribers. We're at like 720 something. And y'all, thank you so much. Like, I feel like I put it in my description, but it's rare that I come on here and I actually say thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning into my content. Thank you for commenting. Thank you. That's all I can say. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.